I've been making things since I was a kid with a VHS camcorder, filming my friends skateboarding after school, editing on the family computer until dinner. I didn't know what I was building back then, I just knew I couldn't stop. But somewhere along the way, the thing I loved became the thing that stretched me the thinnest. When you're a creator, you're not just the artist, you're the director, the editor, the marketer, the project manager. You're teaching your team how you see the world. And that's the hardest thing to scale because it lives inside your head. Here's what nobody tells you about growing a creative business: the bottleneck. The bottleneck is you. Your taste, your eye, your voice. That's what people hired you for. But you can't be in every room. You can't sit next to every editor and say, no, feel it more here, let the shop breathe. So I stopped asking, how do I do more? And started asking a different question. How do I teach more without losing what makes it mine? The biggest leaps in my career didn't come from gear or software. They came from people. My film professor showed me how to see light, not just look at it. On tour, I learned that the best content happens when the camera disappears. DP I worked with once told me something I've never forgotten. Don't shoot what you see, shoot what you feel. Every leap I've ever made came from someone showing me something I couldn't see on my own, not replacing me, just upgrading my perspective, like a software update for my brain. And that got me thinking about tools the same way. I don't want a tool that replaces the work. I want one that makes the teaching part faster, more personal, more me. So someone put me onto this tool called Synthesia. And honestly, my first reaction was skeptical. AI avatars? That sounds like it could go sideways real fast. But then I tried something. I made an avatar of myself, my face, my voice, and I used it to record a training video. The kind of walkthrough I'd normally block off half a day to film, light, edit, and render. And something clicked. This wasn't about faking anything. It was about putting the version of me that knows how I like footage color graded, or how I structure a shot list, or what my editing philosophy is, into a video my team could watch anytime, without me being in the room. It's like, you know that friend that just explains things perfectly, and you wish you could just send them to every meeting? That's what this felt like, except the friend is you. Within an hour, I had 3 training videos done. Color theory, my editing philosophy, how I want B-roll paced, stuff that normally lives in my head and takes hours to communicate in person or over Zoom. Now it just exists, as me, in my voice, on demand. And nobody had to schedule a call for it. My team was like, wait, when did you film all of these? That's the point. I didn't. Well, not in the traditional sense. I taught Synthesia how I communicate, and it carried the message forward while I went back to doing what I actually love, making things. People keep asking the wrong question about AI. They ask, will it replace us? But the tools that actually changed history never replaced anyone. They just made people better at what they were already doing. Think about it. The camera didn't replace painters. It created an entirely new art form. Auto-tune didn't replace singers. It became its own sound. Editing software didn't replace editors. It gave a kid in his bedroom the same power as a Hollywood post house. The best tools don't take your job. They take the stuff that was slowing you down and hand you back your time, so you can do the thing only you can do. For me, that's directing, storytelling, being on set with my hands in the work, not re-recording the same onboarding walkthrough for the 4th time this quarter. The thing I didn't expect was what happened to my team. They started leveling up faster, not because I was working harder, but because the knowledge was finally accessible, consistent, always there when they needed it. One of my editors sent me a cut last week and I didn't have a single note, not one. She'd watched my Synthesia walkthrough on pacing 3 times before cutting. She internalized it. That's not AI replacing a filmmaker, that's AI helping a filmmaker teach. And that's the part that actually gets me excited. Not the tech itself, but what becomes possible when the best version of your knowledge is always available to the people around you. I started this journey with a VHS camcorder and a feeling I couldn't name. 15 years later, the feeling is the same. I just have better ways to share it. The world doesn't need another tool that replaces people. It needs tools that make the best people even better. That's what I found. And honestly, I think that's what the future of work actually looks like. Not less human, more human, just multiplied. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to like and subscribe.